Hi, my name is Chris Nelson. I'm the Executive Director at the Chattahoochee Nature Center. We are here at the CNC, want to thank you for your support over the past 2 months and are so excited to welcome you back to the center. We put together the following information to share with you on what you can expect when you do return to the CNC. Upon careful consideration, CNC has decided to reopen our outdoor experiences, including our trails, Unity Garden, Wildlife Walk, and Screaming Eagle Ziplines. We will be following CDC guidelines and practices throughout our grounds. We ask that you adhere to these new guidelines and practices to help us safely reopen. Before arriving to the CNC, visitors must pre-purchase admission online, and CNC members must make advance reservations for their visit. Our limited timed admission system will not only provide for an intimate experience on the property, but also allow us to reduce person-to-person contact and better maintain social distancing throughout the admissions process. To reduce two-way traffic in CNC indoor areas, all visitors will use our alternate entrance, the Plaza Conference Room. The exit will be through our Discovery Center. Here, our staff will be ready to help you with retail purchases and can assist you with joining or renewing your CNC membership. Some of CNC's experiences will be modified. Please note that the lower level of the Discovery Center will remain closed at this time. CNC will not hold any programs as to not encourage groups to gather, but we do hope to return to our regular programming opportunities in the near future. Please call ahead for the most up-to-date information. Our retail area will be greatly modified, but will be open for purchasing, including snacks and drinks. All purchases that must be made at the CNC will be via credit card only. Sorry, no cash will be accepted. You'll want to be sure to pack water. You will not have access to water fountains at this time. We have implemented additional protocols for your personal safety and cleanliness. CNC staff are required to wear a mask. Visitors are encouraged to wear a mask while at the CNC, but are not required to do so. You should not plan on visiting the CNC if you are exhibiting symptoms or not feeling well. We have greatly enhanced our cleaning practices and will be cleaning high-touch surfaces and spaces throughout the day. Our 127 acres allow for social distancing of 6 feet between individuals. Visitors will encounter frequent signage with information on social distancing, hand washing, and safe visiting guidelines. Before you head to the CNC, be sure to visit our website to best plan your visit, where you can find the information shared in this video. For more information, please visit our website at www.chatnaturecenter.org. Thank you all so much for watching. CNC is so thankful for your support today and always. We are looking forward to seeing you soon and helping to get your nature on.